Hello, dear student. Once again, welcome to our standard construction practical geometry lesson. Lesson number 4, quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means four sides, four angles, and two diagonals. There are total 10 parts of a quadrilateral. You can see here one drawing of green color ABCD quadrilateral with sides, dotted lines A to C and B to D is the diagonals, and rest of four angles, angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D. There is minimum 5 points out of 10 are required to construct a quadrilateral. Minimum 5 are needed, students. We shall learn how to construct a unique quadrilateral given the followings: four sides, one diagonal, three sides, two diagonals, two sides, two triangles, three sides and two angles. Is it? Okay, let's see the exercise number 4.1. Question is here: construct the following quadrilaterals. Quadrilateral ABCD. AB is equal to 4.5 centimeter, BC is equal to 5.5 centimeter, CD is equal to 4 centimeter, AD is equal to 6 centimeter, and AC is equal to 7 centimeter. Dear students, first of all, you should have to draw a rough sketch. Very important thing is here, you should have to draw a rough sketch of your idea. It is not compulsory to start A from here, D from here, C from there, etc. You can start from anywhere and take the help of the scale and pair of compass. First of all, you denote with all the things according to the question. In maths, undeka funda, question is also already saying us answer, or you can say answer is lying in the question. First of all, there is a AC. AC is a 7 centimeter. Is it or not? That's a diagonal. Or you can see quadrilateral is nothing but a two triangles. Very good, students. So take the help of the pair of compass. Both the legs should be in equal distance. Correct. So here you can adjust up to your requirement 4.5. What is the distance? A and B is a 4.5. Keep the pointer on A and pencil draw green arc like this way. Can you understood this one? And the pointed part is showing the A. From A to there, it's a 4.5 centimeter one arc. Draw an arc from A. Again, now you have to draw an arc of 5.5 centimeter from C. From C. Correct. See here it's A and this is the C. Can you see this one, students? Yes, my dear student, you are right. A and C. From C you can draw an arc. Yes. Be careful, you should have to put the pointer of the pair of compass on particular point. Again, now from A you should have to draw an arc of 6 centimeter. You can zoom it in your video. You can find out what the distance is saying. Correct. Now from A you can draw an arc downside of 6 centimeter. Same way 4 centimeters. Distance is 4 centimeter now. Correct. Now we are knowing how to take the measurement. Point on the 0 and according to the pencil point 4 centimeter, keep on C and draw an arc from C downwards. Yes, my dear students, you are right. In this questions, they gave us 4 sides and 1 diagonal. Correct. Now there is a 2 points are there on top side and one is a downwards. Join that one with the help of the scale. Don't draw directly. Correct. So here you will get a quadrilateral according to our question. Construction got over. Define the name also ABCD. Right, dear students. A, C, 7 centimeter, What you did, that steps you should have to write. 4.5 centimeter, correct. 5.5 centimeter, it's also correct. But name is here 6 centimeter, 4 centimeter. C2D is 4 centimeter. Yes, answer is over. Whatever we did, you should have to write here. Yes, here D and here B. It was there. Clear. Now look at the second one of question 1. Quadrilateral JUMP. JU is equal to 3.5, UM is equal to 4, MP is equal to 5, PJ is equal to 4.5 and PU is equal to 6.5 centimeter. Here what they gave us? They gave us 4 sides and 1 diagonal. Same to same of our first question. Just try to draw yourself. Rough sketch is on your screen. Yes. First of all, 6.5 centimeter PU. When you are defining your quadrilateral, you will get an idea what is the diagonal. From anywhere you can start, you will get a perfect quadrilateral, whatever they ask us. Construction is very useful for your skills development, perfect measurement and drawing. And engineers can use these things especially to make a map or any building constructions. Before starting constructions, they has to make these types of rough sketch, and then after in proper measurement they can find out, create first of all any monuments. It will come on paper, then after only it will be possible. Yes, my dear students, here is the intersecting of both the arcs. Again 5 centimeter. Yes, we are now knowing how to adjust the pair of compass. Downward sides. See, pointer is showing you where you have to use, because in first time we did a little bit short of the intersecting points. So don't worry about that once. You can read, measure and complete the things. Okay, now 5 centimeter on the downward sides. Yes, very good, my dear students. So keep the distance. Try to write one answer in one page. If it's a small one, then write 2 answers in one page. From the point U, you can draw an arc downwards, which will intersecting one point M. On the topward side, it's a J. Here, be careful. You have to follow the name of the quadrilateral in particular way, either clockwise or anti-clockwise. Okay, correct. Now your quadrilateral JUMP is completed here. Give the name. Here is the J and downside is the M. Whatever you did, you can write in your words steps. Steps are compulsory. सबसे पहले क्या किया था, उसके बाद क्या किया, उसके बाद क्या किया. आपको हर एक पॉइंट लिखना है अपनी लैंग्वेज में. अच्छा, मैथ्स की लैंग्वेज में. गुड. So rough sketch and then after final sketch and steps. These are the 3 steps of construction. Look at here third one. Also here 4 side 1 diagonal. Now why you can say it's a 4 sides already given. Parallelogram, not quadrilateral. Students, parallelogram का मतलब क्या बेटा? Opposite sides are equal. Pair of the lines should be equal in parallelogram. बेटा भूलना मत. Opposite sides are equal. इतना दिया है तो आपको पता हो जाना चाहिए कि पैरेललोग्राम का मतलब है. Quadrilateral they not said us. They said particularly quadrilateral not but a parallelogram. A parallelograms means it is showing us O and E. Okay, more MORA. इसमें OR 6 दे दिया बेटा. RE 4.5 है. R से E तक 4.5 है और E to O. आपको पता चल गया पैरेललोग्राम कैसे बनेगा. रफ स्केच है आपके पास. करेक्ट. Adjust the pair of compass according to the requirement. 7.5 or 4.5. 6, 7 as it is. 6 सेंटीमीटर का लेने का बेटा. O से R तक और O से M तक. ऊपर और नीचे डायरेक्ट लगा सकते बेटा. वन बाय वन स्टेप करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Once again I remind you, quadrilateral is nothing but a true triangles. Joint two triangles, not separate one. No? So here one upward and one downward, 6 centimeters and arcs we did. Okay, now adjust the pair of compass up to the 4.5 centimeter. We are having a point, same point on E and O, which is intersecting on R and M. Very good. Now with the help of the scale, draw the lines of intersecting points of an arc, which gives us a perfect parallelograms according to our question. Afterwards, what you have to do, students? Yes, you are right. You have to show the measurement and name of the intersecting point. And last, you have to write the steps 4 or 5. Last step should be like this way. It is the required parallelogram MORE. Whatever the question, same thing you have to write before that. It is a required this one. Over? Easy? Okay, thank you. Very nice. Correct. Okay, student, look at the question number 1, fourth one. Rhombus, BEST. Only B and ET are given. B is equal to 4.5 centimeter and ET is equal to 6 centimeter. But students, they gave us some hint in question rhombus. Rhombus is a quadrilateral where each side of the quadrilateral are equal. All 4 sides are equal. So you can take any one rough diagram of a quadrilateral, give the naming BEST. Once again I remind you, follow the rule clockwise or anti-clockwise and put the measurement. You will have a very easiest constructions of this lesson. 6 centimeter diagonal ET, correct. Now take the measurement 4.5 centimeter with the help of pair of compass. Yes. And draw an arc from E on the top side. You can see with the green color an arc. In your construction also, don't drop your extra work. If it's a big one, you can make it a small. Again, downwards also you can have to draw 4.5 centimeters. And join the points S and B. Yes, correct. Your BST is ready. Once again, I remind you, you can write steps in your language. Show measurement in drawing also, my dear students. Drawing showing all the things, constructions, practical geometry. So here we end up our fourth one also, rhombus. So parallelogram, rhombus. Look at the question number 1 of exercise 4.2 of standard 8 mathematics 1. Construct the following quadrilateral. 1. Quadrilateral LIFT. Lift up. Li is equal to 4 centimeter, IF is equal to 3 centimeter, TL is equal to 2.5 centimeter, LF is equal to 4.5 centimeter, IT is equal to 4 centimeter. What things are given here, students? When you can draw a rough sketch, you are having the clear idea which are the diagonals and which are the sides. Yes, you are right. So LF is the diagonal 1 and PI is the diagonal 2 or IT. Sides are also given, but students be careful here. First of all, you can draw a 4 centimeter LI. Take the pair of compass, adjust according to the measurement. Yes, 3 centimeter. So from I, you have to draw an arc. Is it easy? From I, 3 centimeter. Okay. Now, how to get the point F? Very simple. Yes, anyone has idea? Correct, correct. Take the pointer on L and draw an arc of 4.5 centimeter, which is intersecting of 3 centimeter arc from I. Yes, that intersecting point is F. Again, you have to adjust your pair of compass according to the requirement. 2.5 centimeter from L. You have to draw an arc of 2.5 centimeter. Easy? Yes, correct. Again, measure it 4 centimeter. IT measurement is 4 centimeter. Keep the pointer on I and draw an arc which is cutting, intersecting of an arc 2.5. Student, if you are putting your interest, this is very helpful to in your board exam. 4 marks questions are coming from these types of things you have to draw. And it is so easy, nothing to remember. If you put your interest, drawing subject. Yes, see here our quadrilateral is ready. LIFT. Draw the dotted lines, show the diagonals. Yes, like kite type. It's not a kite. Yes. Here I am using the colorful pants, so you can understand which step you did in how. Once again, I remind you, right? Please, measurements, whatever given in questions. So here TF is not given. No need to give the TF measurement or FT. It will be joining point. Here we end up our question number 1 number. Look at here, quadrilateral gold, GOLD, gold. Here what they gave us 3 sides and 2 diagonals. 5 things were already there. Read the question carefully, you will find the answers. When you draw a rough diagram, you are having the clear idea of a question. Yes, my dear student, you are right. First of all, you have to draw OL or GD of given measurement. Yes, you draw the starting from OL. Yes, here you should have to be careful when you are starting for answers. Leave the some lines or some gap on the top side as well as downside is there. बीच में से स्टार्ट करो बेटा ड्राइंग करने का. Okay, good. Very simple. Now 5 centimeter an arc from L or 10 centimeter. Oh, too far away. No problem. Let's see it. Now it's possible. You cannot do what? No, don't school like that, students. Your pair of compass may be open up to 10 centimeter. I did here because I am having the a virtual pair of compass. It's not an actual pair of compass. Yes, correct. So imaginations, how to draw that one. Good, very good students. Now again take the pair of compass and take the measurement of 5 centimeter from L. O से अपने लगाए 10 का और L से लगाएंगे 5 का, तो आपको एक इंटरसेक्टिंग पॉइंट D मिल जाएगा पक्का, which is intersecting point here D. Correct. Only small lines. When you found the intersecting point, no need to draw a half circle. It's showing. Correct. Join the both one D and O and D and L. One triangle is finished. Yes, you are right, my dear student. You did these types of thing in 7th standard. Yes, correct. Correct. Which type of this triangle, beta? Scalene. Good answer. And other? It's an acute obtuse or right? Yes, you are right, my dear student. Obtuse angle, because one angle is more than 90 degree. Angle L is more than 90. That's why it's an obtuse angle. Correct. Now they gave us another diagonal 6 centimeters बेटा, और 6 सेंटीमीटर वही चीज रखने का, घुमाने का नहीं. कहाँ से दिए आपको? GD 6 दे दिया आपको. GL and GD 6. Easy. When you look at the first time, you may be confused how to draw these types of quadrilateral. But my dear student, it is so easy. And here you are writing your measurements. Yes, one more diagonal. You have to show it with the dotted line or a full line. Yes, 6 centimeter. Here is your answer. Thank you. Very nice. Yes, your favorite question, rhombus. Again, rhombus क्या होता है बेटा? Yes, you are right. इसका चारों साइड इक्वल होना चाहिए. इसमें क्या दिया है बेटा? 3 साइड दी है और 2 डायगोनल दे दिए. कैसे पता चला आपको 2 डायगोनल है? आराम से 2 डायगोनल ही दिए बेटा. DE दिया है और BN दिया है. रॉम्बस क्या करेंगे? पहले तो उसका BND बना दो कहीं से भी, आपको पता चल जाएगा. दिस आर द डायगोनल्स. तो साइड कैसे पता चल गया? इसकी साइड कैसी है? टाइप 2 है उसका, मैंने बताया था फर्स्ट में. टाइप 1, टाइप 2, टाइप 3, टाइप 4, टाइप 5. इसमें दूसरे टाइप का है. डायगोनल और साइड्स दिए. डायगोनल्स परपेंडिकुलर होता है, बाइसेक्ट करते एक दूसरे को. रॉम्बस में 90 डिग्री पे काटते हैं. दैट इज अ प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ द रॉम्बस. आपको पता होना चाहिए 5.6 और 6.5 क्या लेने का, आपको पता करके लेने का है बेटा. खड़ी लाइन बनाओ या हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन बनाओ, उसका बीच वाला पॉइंट लेने का है आपको. हाउ टू फाइंड आउट द मिडल पॉइंट ऑफ द लाइन? DE. Yes. Here you should have to write DE, and measurement of D is equal to 6.5. I will give another hint for this one. Make too easy, but no problem. Whatever the questions, we can follow it. and don't stick it. This is the final answer. Take an arc more than half. आपको दिखाई दे रहा है बेटा डी है जितना मेजरमेंट है पक्का नहीं मालूम लेकिन मोर देन हाफ का पता चल गया. मोर देन हाफ लिया आपने. Keep the one arc on the top side and one arc on the down side. Easy? Correct. Again, keep the one arc on the down side and on the top side. See, same circle is there. Yes. Without changing your measurement, both the side D and E up and down, draw an arc, you will get 2 points. And draw a dotted line. This is a diagonal, or you can say intersecting a diagonal DE. DE को उसके दो भाग में कट कर दिया बेटा. Exactly दो भाग हो गया बेटा और 90 डिग्री मिलेगा. परपेंडिकुलर लाइन ऑफ DE. आपको NB करने का आपको उसको NB का क्या करेंगे बेटा. B and DM को 5.6 तो उसका आधा कितना होता है. Yes, correct. 5.6 divided by 2, which gives us a 2.8. Will you take the help of the compass and pair of compass and a scale. 2.8 तक का ले लो बेटा मेजरमेंट. आप इंटरसेक्टिंग पॉइंट जो है उसको नाम O दे सकते हैं. कंपलसरी नहीं है. बीच में के जो कटिंग हुआ है 90 डिग्री परपेंडिकुलर वहां से 2.8 तक. यस, एक आर्क ऊपर लगाओ बेटा और एक आर्क नीचे लगा दो. जो पॉइंट मिले बेटा वो अपना हो गया BN, which intersecting a perpendicular line. Join this point with D. It is an ND. Same way N to E. Again B to D. Correct. And B to E. Here is our rhombus. You may be imagine all the sides should be equal. मैजिक. सभी साइड इक्वल हो जाएगी बेटा पक्का. देख लो कहीं से भी 2.8 करेक्ट. Again you can just see the our required rhombus B and D is over.